In this video, we focus solely on demonstrating how to print ID cards using the Epson L8050 printer. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content like this on our channel. If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support. Step 1. Search in Google Epson L8050 driver. Alright, now let's click on this website. Please select your computer's operating system from this section. Alright, since Windows 11 is installed on my computer, I will select that. And we choose our language from this section. And then we click on the Go button. Now we click on the driver and download it. And of course, to print the ID card on Epson L8050 printer, you need the Epson Photo Plus software, which you download from this section. After downloading the driver and Epson Photo Plus software, you should go to the Downloads folder on your computer and open the Programs folder. In the second step, first, you install the driver. Make sure that the USB of your printer is connected to the computer. After installing the driver, you also need to install the Epson Photo Plus software. In the third step, after installing the driver and software, go to your desktop and click on the Epson Photo Plus icon to run the program. Please be patient as it may take a moment for the program to open. Now, we select the ID card section. We now select our ID card print settings from this section. Of course, you should choose these settings based on your ID card requirements. If you want to print to ID cards, you need to enable the two-sided option. From this section, we input our ID card photo. From this section, we input our ID card photo. And we adjust the size of the boxes to fit our ID card. And now, we align our ID card to fit within the boxes. And now, we input the second card. If you have selected one-sided printing, you can only input one card. In this section on the right side, you need to select the printing settings for your ID card. After selecting the settings, it's time to print. You should click on the Start Printing button and avoid clicking on the Print Test button by mistake. Step 4. Clean your tray card with a damp cloth to remove any excess dust and dirt, then insert the ID cards inside. Insert your tray card up to the indicated section and then press the Cancel key once to complete the print. Please like and subscribe. If you have any other questions or need further guidance, I'll be happy to help.